Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Avneet Kaur has continually dazzled her fans with her impeccable sense of fashion, and when it comes to lehenga ensembles, she takes traditional glamour to an entirely new level. Her lehenga fashion choices reflect a fine balance of youthful charm, regal sophistication, and a contemporary twist on age-old Indian ethnic wear. Whether she's walking the red carpet, posing for a festive photo shoot, or gracing a wedding event, she knows exactly how to turn heads in a lehenga. One of her most iconic looks includes a deep red velvet lehenga embellished with heavy golden zari and sequin embroidery, paired with a matching velvet blouse featuring a plunging neckline and intricate mirror work. She styled this outfit with a bold maan tikka, heavy jhumkas, and a stack of traditional bangles, enhancing the royal bride-like aesthetic. Her makeup was kept dewy with bold eyes and a deep maroon lipstick, giving the whole look a timeless charm. In contrast, she has also embraced pastel and minimalistic lehenga styles. A memorable instance is her blush pink organza lehenga, featuring light thread work and delicate floral embroidery. The flowy silhouette gave her a dreamy, fairy tale vibe, and she paired it with a sleeveless crop blouse and a minimal dupatta draped delicately across one shoulder. What sets Avneet apart is her willingness to experiment with colors, fabrics, and silhouettes. From bold emerald greens and midnight blues to classic ivories and modern metallics, she has donned lehengas in a broad spectrum of shades. One such bold experiment was a shimmering silver lehenga with mirror embellishments all over the skirt and blouse, giving it a celestial, star-studded appearance. The blouse had a structured, modern cut with an off-shoulder neckline, and her hair was styled in soft waves to maintain a youthful flair. In another look, she stunned in a navy blue velvet lehenga that featured heavy antique gold embroidery, which she paired with a high-neck blouse, keeping the look traditional yet regal. Her styling choices also speak volumes about her keen fashion sense. She often plays with different dupatta draping styles, from the Gujarati front drape to modern cape-style silhouettes that bring a fresh touch to traditional wear. For instance, she once paired a turquoise lehenga with a net cape embroidered in silver sequins, instead of the typical dupatta, creating a look that was perfect for a modern-day sangeet or reception. Accessories are another strong point in her lehenga fashion game. She opts for everything from heavy polki sets and choker necklaces to delicate oxidized jewelry, depending on the look, sometimes bold and bridal, and at other times fresh and youthful. She also embraces varying textures, from silk and brocade to chiffon, net, and georgette. One of her standout looks included a vibrant yellow silk lehenga with hand-painted floral motifs, perfect for a haldi or mehndi ceremony. The bright color contrasted beautifully with her sun-kissed makeup and wavy open hair, presenting a refreshing and radiant image. In yet another look, Avneet rocked a modern fusion lehenga set in a metallic wine tone with a structured peplum blouse and a tiered skirt, ideal for a reception night. The look was edgy and dramatic, with dark lips and bold smoky eyes giving it a ramp-ready feel. Her Instagram is a visual gallery of how versatile lehenga fashion can be when styled with confidence and creativity. Whether it's the traditional bridal reds and maroons, the trendy lilacs and blushes, or unconventional tones like charcoal, rose gold, or burnt orange, Avneet carries them all with elegance and flair. Her choice of hairstyles, from classic buns adorned with gajras to sleek ponytails and loose beachy waves, add further dimension to each look. And not to forget the footwear. While she often chooses embellished heels or jutis, she also occasionally pairs her lehenga with quirky sneakers or wedges, proving she's not afraid to mix comfort with couture. Her lehenga fashion journey is a blend of classic Indian tradition and fearless experimentation. She embodies the spirit of the modern Indian woman, one who honors her roots while embracing contemporary trends. Through rich colors, luxe fabrics, thoughtful accessorizing, and expressive styling, she continues to set new benchmarks in ethnic fashion, making her one of the most stylish and inspiring young icons in the Indian fashion landscape. Building on her incredible lehenga fashion journey, it's important to highlight how she seamlessly transitions from festive glam to minimalist chic depending on the occasion. For Diwali celebrations, she has been spotted in heavily embellished lehengas featuring zardozi work, mirror accents, and hand-stitched floral embroidery. These pieces often include voluminous skirts that add drama and grandeur to her overall look. What stood out was her choice of contrasting emerald jewelry, which added a pop of color and elevated the traditional attire to a royal ensemble. On the other hand, when it comes to destination weddings or modern bridal events, she switches to breezy, lightweight fabrics with softer embroidery. She once stunned in a powder blue lehenga made of chiffon and tulle, decorated with crystal and bead work that sparkled subtly under the sunlight. She wore it with a sleeveless, structured blouse and a flowing cape instead of the conventional dupatta, giving the outfit a Western fusion flair. With minimal jewelry, just a pair of diamond drop earrings and soft curls framing her face, she looked ethereal and effortlessly fashionable. What makes her style even more appealing is her ability to play with blouse styles. From deep necklines, backless cuts, and halter necks to full sleeves with sheer detailing or even asymmetric designs, her blouse choices often act as statement pieces on their own. For example, in one high-profile event, she wore a mirror-work lehenga with a heavily embellished backless blouse that was both traditional and sensual, proving her comfort with experimental and bold designs. Her confidence in carrying such outfits with poise truly sets her apart from the crowd. She also explores regional styles in lehenga fashion. She's been seen in Rajasthani-inspired Bandhani lehengas, Banarasi brocades, and even lehengas with South Indian-style temple border embroidery. These cultural nods, blended with modern tailoring, show her appreciation for India's rich textile heritage while still maintaining a youthful appeal. Beyond colors and fabrics, she is very selective with silhouettes. She doesn't just stick to the traditional flared style. She also experiments with mermaid cuts, A-lines, tiered ruffles, and panel skirts. A tiered lehenga she wore for a magazine cover featured multiple layers of organza in ombre tones of peach and rose gold, paired with a strapless corset-style blouse. The look was fresh, bold, and editorial perfect for Gen Z fashionistas who want to redefine ethnic fashion on their own terms. Her photo shoots often reflect fairy tale-like storytelling, where she's seen posing amidst palatial backdrops, flower-decked gardens, or minimalistic modern interiors, all chosen to complement her outfits. Her expressions, poses, and body language enhance the aesthetic of the outfit, making every frame a visual delight. Even her makeup evolves with each lehenga style, ranging from soft and dewy with nude lips for pastel looks, to bold red lips and smoky eyes for darker, richer outfits. She often pairs bindi and soft contouring to give her features that perfect ethnic glow. Another signature element in her lehenga fashion is her love for layering. Be it through embellished jackets, sheer embroidered shrugs, or extra flares added to her skirts, she always brings depth and dimension to her looks. One of her recent ensembles featured a deep wine-colored lehenga with a long sheer cape jacket instead of a dupatta, embroidered all over with metallic threadwork. The structured styling gave a boss lady touch to an otherwise traditional garment. She also plays a huge role in inspiring bridal and bridesmaid fashion. Her social media is often flooded with comments from fans looking to recreate her looks for weddings, receptions, and festive occasions. With each lehenga, she shows how personal expression, comfort, and tradition can coexist beautifully. Whether you prefer bold bridal couture or subtle, understated designs, her fashion choices offer something for every taste. Her lehenga fashion is a beautiful exploration of Indian ethnic wear, versatile, dramatic, youthful, and rooted in culture. Her attention to detail, bold styling, and ability to mix tradition with trend makes her a true fashion icon for young Indian women. From festive grandeur to minimalist elegance, she continues to inspire countless fans and redefine what it means to be fashionable in a lehenga. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.